I expect video on hang out at least 30 minutes. Now I think I get so they no dancing. Oh, Papa. Every night I know if I'm my baby, just so my bow, Papa. Just so my bow, Papa. Every minute, Mom, yeah. Oh, yeah, I tell you, if you have a sulu that I get it, and when you go out, and you know what you back at the note, and when you go on, you say, here, then you're Papa. If you were the in under Papa, the lorry way. If you were the Papa, and only thing you done, and me, I'll be by other one. Oh, yeah, let's go there. Yes, get from there. Stop. Queen. Oh, yes, woman. Sharp as the hot body chop a small spoon. Yeah, you know it. Anyway, so yeah, well, we're done here. Penny Osula. I'm gonna say the emoji. I have a laugh. And I will see you at all. Together here, both share the national cake. What daughter will expose you? You don't say anything. Just no one respecting yourself. Why more is a guy asking you what I will? Yeah, I see you what I will. No one going to happen. We don't know can you women and what's the way. I don't want to update the calendar. I want to update that calendar. What is it now? You have to video. It's like I go too sweet. Share this video. assalamu alaikum. You were. So I'm going to play some music. Let's call the song. Okay. Yes, so my people, I greet you all with better style what already. We are most to talk. Share this video, guys. Share the video. Let me share myself. No, we know. Mumula technology. No go to now. To true. Since around 6, no, we are this live video. You never see anything. You go sleep live video. You are log away for your live video. A live video will be away. We're going to do a biomo. Mammy, oh, I want your memory. No, we will care. If you mean when I have for you with me. A Kayama. When I tell you, they have a big Kayao. Manaston. A very pink up. Kayaway pink up. You must get grace. May you not get disgrace. It was the way pink up away from. To disgrace your love. Que permis no yusula. No ya de capinane. On doit zoom a live video. On doit capina my mare yo. Even when I have here even live video. I know it all. I'm not bien derrière. So I believe you guys are hearing me. Alright, share this video, guys. Share the video, Eddie. Yes, I greet you now with better style. We are now in episode 13 of this mommy let's Ekia lead. The reason why she's crying. You know, so if I talk my own, if I saga mommy let's Ekia lead, I'm going to bring out proof. A proof me here agbo. Proof here agbo. Ya igbo phone ya finish it when I know the next channel to go. Now, quick one, we just go straight to as the I think they hot, sharp. Now I gotta waste the time. Well, I clock mommy let me call it. Sister, not bien les jogues. Mommy let lovely, don't you, sister, not bien les jogues. Sister, not bien les jogues. Born for your grandchildren. Because when we be last born now, a destiny Dion, or we were Dion. Man, no, man, back by now, you're little. Eh, you want to be
Mumu let it yali this. Oh. Eya nganya. No trust more audio, right? Okay. Then all these are all missed calls. All these are all missed calls. You see Frank, oh, you hardly see me. You cannot get their time. And then they find me. Eke Owameji. Oh, Wameji, oh, Wameji, oh, Wameji, oh, you hear Yagua love, oh. Oh, Wameji. You see this picture? You wait for what they go. Now, this one call you. Call you, we are calling. You know what they now? I bought you now. Like one of you.
The same respect. Hello, good morning. About this month.
Cat bonani. I hear. Wagay, this is Babane. Precious man boyfriend for Spain. With the fuck Precious man for Spain. On a Precious man, the ticket Yahweh carry in Spain. Babane. Yon vieux yade. Odare. Yon kwe yade ge. Unmudange. Mumile takwe college. Wagay. This a woman. We do party. We say. In friend, the woman ex-boyfriend come in house, come grace the 1 year birthday of your own son, where the husband did prison. Now the woman this one. And you have more there. When we left at my college. See this guy. Nancy carry this one come. The Precious Meg. The Precious Meg. You see, this time on Precious Meg on Don Moscow, they beat him. Nancy pack the come. Here, yeah, quite suppose we. Yeah, anyway, for ya qua anyway. Yeah, anyway. O take one of Papillona. Yeah, qua anyway. Yeah, I suppose. Even more than I suppose you should be. But at the same see after I come here, say I will call you back. Now. Let me read this right up. Say, good morning, my love. How are you doing? I wrote you yesterday and you did not reply me and you hardly pick my call these days. You know how we started. Our relationship, please. If you don't want our relationship again, please let me know. No, after a platform no getting your win yerikun. E no get on yeho. E no get oswo. Short. O sadele yo oswo. Now, if you don't want the relationship again, please let me know. Hey, you been in your call, okay, in your call, or the call, may pick because it's at a lobby. It do the talk. In your call. God, now, blessed morning, my love. How are you doing? I wanted to come to your place. March ending next month. Next month ending. I really want to see you. I am missing you badly, my love. You know I really love you. How much I love and care about you. Have a peaceful sleep, my sweetheart. No we you see me aye. Udare where me make begia. Ero ge. Yin your gbene. O is gbene. If only very von e deke gbe. Okay. Awatia. No here titi o. On our good morning. How are you? How was your night? Please, you should understand me. I was trying to let you know that that is why I was calling you. But you don't pick and you don't even call me back. So I was afraid to be a single mother. This time around, after I don't go about Bele, after he don't go abort, according to the Yamayama Bele we say in get to. The Yamayama Bele we say get. Then, see my reply. May not be saying only one they talk. Now, I want to still read my own reply. See, my reply be this one. Not just 3 lines, my reply be. I'm not the way started talk too much. This one, I not read this one. When you say intake get Bele, I don't read that. Now, my reply to her is this. After she said she don't go abort Bele, blah, blah, blah. You understand? Now, I can write to her, say, thank for your decision. Now, you get Bele. Now, you say you still go abort the Bele. That say, thanks for your decision. Without letting me know, I just wake up now to read your bad news. You understand? I just write on the 3 lines, the 3 things we are right for you, this one. Ofemina, when she say, okay, now she can reply, good morning, how are you doing, my love? Please, you should understand me. I was trying to let you know. That is why I was calling you. But you did not pick my call. You didn't even call me back. So I was afraid to be a single mother again. That is why I quickly take that decision before it's too late. Please forgive me for this decision I take. I am not feeling fine here, please. My king, please, I beg you, forgive me. Forgive me. Try and understand. I beg you. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Have a wonderful day. Bam. Please don't forget that people will laugh at me of giving birth in single mother again. What is that? People will laugh at me of you. They're not gonna laugh you now. No gyari giwe enanya. La veggie. No veggie. No gyari giwe era. If I can't kaluwa as well. People will laugh at me again. Please, my love, my king, forgive me. I wish I reached out to you. You would have told me what to do. Please forgive me. Please call me. I really missed you. I miss you. I miss you. I can't twin. The devil know where you can't twin where you so you know. You are quick. Frankie, please forgive me, you know. Please forgive me, you know. And no girl, who know where so nowhere, who know where you know where you were, and no girl ask you, who know where you were, social media now. No, when that video, who know where you were. You want to play? You want to play ball? Okobos will never play ball. You want to play ball? Okobos will never play ball. And no, you are a learner. Who know where so you care there? The Mitiana. Do get a kinia in the ballot. Do get a fiani. Do get a go. Where Osama say that book you won't no one make idea. Osama say that whoever no one make stay. If you really know what Osama say that whoever no ya streets. Osama say that whoever no ya wet buffy. Let to get go after you. Moka you poor patron you zi biomo. Moka you poor patron you zi biomo. Anyway I will. Ya maga. Ya mugu. Oh, when you had be again for many years. No, you were balancing madam sister, balancing madam brother. Who the way who we are that? Who we are that? You have to go extreme end to make sure where who go any who zanzan or feel a and salon or yes. In a great decubia. See your life. Let's take care of it. Shift closer. Viens quoi. And we know what to tie one beg. Let's take care of the only side baluwe. We don't have Bamania was in total. Only side baluwe. Hey, Salo, who have done this to you? In fact, what you were saying, you were he can't warn you where. In our mommy, let a quick colleague. Mungu let a quick colleague. In our renoué, ou a siame. In our renoué, in our siame. Mungu let a quick colleague. In our siame. You think I was joking? You think I was joking? In a way, you are renoué. You are lodawa. Ou a fella for loss away. You are going for live video. Go and look yourself now for live video. Go and look yourself. Go and yourself. Okay, permit no work. What's your name? I cure on for me. If you cure for me, today I'll cure this one just now. I'll cure for me again. A permit no zo. Permit. When only my voice, you don't scream. You don't come. Only my voice. When me awag won, who are ba me who are here. Who are here. Only my voice. Then, I'm not working. Permit you. Una me phone sikeke. We restaurants no back. Restaurants no back. Una me phone sikeke. Look at me with your shoe. With your butt away for leg. You be like, oh, what attack more? Oh, what attack more leg when you carry waka? You can't lift you say, see, when I see you, can you go there? You can say, we couldn't anywhere. Penny, you to win anywhere. You don't what you are. Or you are beg over coming. You don't bear. 2 weeks ago here. 2 weeks ago here. Or John, we are beg over walking men. 2 weeks ago here. You don't bear. You are idiots. You are idiots. Even when the social media like that. Oh, I imagine. Just hear how these women are stupid. A permit. Mumu let the carries. Permit and Mumu let the carry. They are tight friends. Permit they carry family matter. They go give Mumu let the carry. Then Mumu let the carry the saga there. Mami water what she did, Yash. Permit na your mother, according to them. It is so. I shop Mami water what she did, Yash. Mumu let the carry is caught in. He called the saga Mami water what she did, Yash. Mumu let the carry leads. He can't find way to come in control shop. He can't bring the picking because me and follow up with the picking. As this cannot send the picking, he come by herself. I shop her. Pay me wait they side. Forget Mumu let Mami water what she did Yash. Now Mumu let the now pay me. Now I first start to the farming. We don't the shop throw away pay me toto for street state. Every night and they make they come before the back will die. That one a normal thing. Don't be this one we call the farm activity. The farm who you want farm get for before you because if you employ you for restaurants. You want farm responsible for because if you employ you for restaurants so that they pay you how much? First Maya. We must for Maya they get jaka. You are an idiot. You are an idiot. When are you like a toothpick? Your toothpick leg. Pay me, your toothpick leg. Well, you get it. Now your toto be like a walk toto. You be like a walk or something say picking toto. Where are you fear? Or something say picking toto in can't big pass pay me toto. Or walk toto. Something say picking in can't big pass pay me toto. A can't or walk or boss pay me. Whoever me a fear like a mess. Or then a liar. Or you fear. Or those small river where they go for village. One leg with an ladder young way. Anyway, for me. Our time is a straight journey. And what's so a live video? Pay me no Yosula. When you head Barang when I shower. No, you can't shower, but no way. Use pregnancy, gonna do a show for no way. Nonsense. That's the only you find already. And we know Guagmoro whining on him. A permit already condemning woman. Egbo ball in the English also. You understand? Then Wamian in a Magueroa. When the permit will not be like the Waroa. Permit stay low in the house. A permit they are the same category. Oma Vena Goekan. A Bobby Egui. A boo of your egui. I will not lock up. Not lock up. A permis 100% depressed. Uhumino wa. Uhum. Mose permis here. Assassin. Do you know the work I've done? I'm going to give her vibes. They give her love songs. She go to scream for bed. She go to scream. No zona. Okay, the nyobe. No ho. You don't make your man. I'm not there. Yeah, if you get your man, okay, do ye. No zua live video. I don't have to be not learning we were. You ma bon la rag ve no je. And what bijua. Eke dan. We need dan la you we yan fa na wo de seta. Uma ya nek bo no se na you na wo de seta. Yama people. You are idiot. Straight to the show. Olo wele. Iwewo, Pemi, where are your children? I hear better avec petit l'avion. My kings. I hear better avec petit l'avion. Et mon eraise yo et mon era pardon. Ça me dit what no soon that we. Ne rien à dire. Junior Bayode, oh bien na. Junior Bayode, the son of the legends. No, ne 24 bit Muria UK. What happened between you and Junior Bayode? Come and give the story on social media. Come and give the story on social media. On your back and when you show the social media, come and tell the world what happens between you and Junior Bayode. Junior Bayode, I will introduce you now. Introduction was a massive introduction. It passed marriage. What they do for your head? You don't know how many dignity people that was your introduction. What happened? Why they end the marriage? After they don't fix date for marriage, they disorganized the marriage. She was pregnant for Junior Bayode, and they rushed to introduction. Since they were still going to road work with pregnancy, unknowingly to Junior Bayode. Junior Bayode lives in Nigeria. He lives in Nigeria. Why this guy the carry let them go road work? Oda amako yupo. A precious man. Or you look at the secrets by Junior Bayode. Or see a precious man go away now after Junior Bayode. You understand? And why precious man go and look at bits like that? Precious man now leak the secret to or see no friend Junior Bayode. On call it Junior Bayode after Junior Bayode. Oh, we are to the song. Lady Gona, can you get Koya no way? In a Koya Kurupo, no way. Useless bumfoo. Niku de Quemu. Not your Zangi family. No, you way I'm where a marriage not set and not a marriage you are. Because of a Igbiagia. I'm on my plaster, I'm on a whole. When I get to family, I brought on with the Sharon discuss we have brought to the Osunda family. I brought on when you are about the projects. About the projects working in the family. You are condemned elements. Nonsense. Useless. Stupid. God. You don't say. You don't say. You don't bust. Let's go there. You know, so the way I say flog now truth and the business, truth the paper. When I look. Remember where I talk? That way I talk. It was really want to hang ukme that you think. Anyway, we drag yourself come out for inside the room where you did. I go carry you come out, spread you widely. Now what's I do now? Not too much. Anyway, we drag yourself come out for this December. I go put you for some spread now. Imagine two of them be bestie. When we are to here, Mugu let take your lead. A Pemi, a Becky, Wagyu, a Becky, a Pemi, Naga, Gosson, Godota, a Gomoda, Godota. A Pemi, a Mugu, let take your lead, Naga, tight friend. Mave Pemi, Managa, online boyfriend. Our Tabenoji, I think by. You understand, you can't shame the shameless. We be online boyfriend. Online knocking now we do. You understand? Okay. Now, a Pemi now, hoping say, in the dates me, on a very good day, you come down, you come see me. Good though. Now we have here, a Becky, honorary, honorary Salekia. You understand? Becky is Salekia, Okpa, Ezona, Denimare Becky. Gidi go. E pe mi na be ti be yin me la go si be ki ai la na my daughter si be ki ai. We saga ourselves. After the saga, uwe saga ni. Let's say kia lead. Non si permis. Ona agwa le we. No we do ya we kia. I'm going to marry for 3 years. Sister number come. You will come here and make you come. Okay. Let's say kia lead na do call or be with we kia ni. Ne permis man set the ticket the way is there. Let's say kia lead na do fastly do shop the kia ni. One or it down when the first time. Or bamek what wet. Let's take it now. Ya. Buy a dagger, no, you have the Yakana. Yeah, you will be bros now. I want to do what ticket. Okay, sister, I did. Let's take it now for the second time. Honor the war. Yana. Let's take it now. Okay, honor. Hello? What talk about real life video? Okay, Jesse William.
Jesse William, you know, whether you only the in your way, Jacosula, Yahweh, family, and Yahweh.
He Jacosula, where?
Jacosula, when none of the other way, 5 and enemy, OJ Tatemet, Muya, this pin was up.
Oh, look, once again, nation. Unamure Mecca.
Holy one, Kabuka, and Motokpan, or Wayare, keep your career. Jesse William in a meow, standing the video go, and Nana Ruimoto. And then Jesse William in our video, what you care, we not see as a man, any.
Oh, look, but Joshua.
Even mommy let love lead you. Honor the bed by men and the Kia was pass away. I like pay mommy let love lead dog. Bangbeya man, then Ogulan on the ace.
And there is one also that they're going to HIV.
Oh, one spend my man. I walk by my man. Why and men, what it be and Nanya. You have the picture of Latiano, Donald, I want what they know. They go out on the Miami. Come, okay, man. I sit up by my man. Or play video with all give me Wagua.
Kolobi, oh boy.
Jesse Williams, but you love be a boy. Not the only naked or on a lagode. Or one metabolosis. I don't even say.
Oh, look.
If I was your winner, either special children, they know, or Miami Pago. When I could be against the Miami Park, my social media, your mother Yami Park, what they are telling one or who are gone.
Is it? I just William, no.
I have a picture where you're not doing one while we go not while they get here.
I'm a picture of one. I'm a picture of one.
If they're not there.
I'm a picture of one.
In a picture of one, a picture of Williams.
La figure for what they go, man. For what they go, man.
Baba na be wari egu na wa fian na.
Ije
mo no wa gun a. Ye je what you do wo bro na ye je. Ala e picture you know wa le ge o ma le wi ku o mama so we no wa re ki.
For what the picture be egu man, picture na fun be egu man. Saka continue.
Ya di o ri ari o da fun egu we baba na ye je no na ho wa.
We say
ye no ti na te o na me. Esikola wa no zo le ya video ya send egu enu ya go no ho wa je si bi emi do ki agbe.
Okay, we say madam, we say. We say. When you can't go to corner, you have your body. We say. Jessica William. Who does who over so we be better. We be come on we go. Jessica William. Jesse William. Stop. Oh, what are we? He will not tell your opinion. Jesse William. Oh, look. Jesse William. I don't touch my hand. You don't touch my hand. See, sama Jessica possible. Sama Jessica possible. Jesse William. Aye, Saloba was you. This saga will happen, so God bless this saga. If me leave everybody, Jesse William. Ọ̀pẹ́ nìkan gbọ́dọ̀ dàbọ̀ wẹ̀. Ìyá ìzẹ̀gbẹ́ no wíyàn tiẹ̀. No ho ààrẹ. Ẹ̀ sọ ẹ̀ náà zùwà. Àyè Sùzẹ́kíà. Àwọn ti yan ọ̀nà. Òbọ̀ra dàbẹ̀. Òbọ̀ra ọ̀dàfọ̀ ilẹ̀ ìyá ìzẹ̀gbọ́ dàfọ̀ ni. Ìsọ̀wọ̀ ẹbí bẹ̀tílẹ̀. Wẹ̀ ẹbí bẹ̀tílẹ̀. Ew, Jesus. Ìwọ̀n ni yà sálẹ̀. Mumu lẹ́tẹ̀ kí a lè jẹ́ yàn pé náà. Mumu lẹ́tẹ̀ kí a lè jẹ́. Come and tell the world. Which song was I playing? The one you guys don't understand why I love this music. Because the music in I am when let take care of the butter. In one I am butter or dead or dead or dead blah blah blah. In one I have wet daddy. Here there. Asiwolo, asiwole. Asigwegwe, asipoto. Asiwoko. Asiwoko. I said this saga. What happened so? We will not clear when you talk anyhow. You go come mad. Your ears go open. One daughter where you out of hatred. Frank Amazon. I'm going here. Hey, sister, you go open. Jesse William. Who saw like the woman HIV? May call you again. He console you right on. You two of us. I console you. I call you and I console you. Yes. Hello? Agree to. What talk about real life video? Ma? Oh. Did anyone speak? Every speaker, no speaker. Igba how TV, vale na post. Igba how TV. Mulher. Não speaker. O que na mão quando lá, o TV. Ma. Good idea, you get me one. Me tell you, we are tired.
You want to kill them? I beg you in the name of God. Please, man, please.
Oh, you know, yeah. Who that you take me one? Yeah, you would have seen from Victor and West Sam. Who know that you are? And I want to speaker. Okay, we want it. I want to hear it when we la. Hey, you have to emboss me. Let me give you the code. No, son. Let me give you the code. Nous voyons bien. Allez, mais non, so you weki we. Mais ma bien. Et ku ye so ye mu dia la long ye mu dia yiku. Mais ma le ko lawa. Mais ma kare ko ko we. Et ta ye vie ne kia. Et ta ye so yo. Ya said be God daughter we. A God daughter we now for the past 3 days now, before days. O ma eladiania. O wa ma o ma eladiania. O wa ma wa poru ugbo he obie mama o. Dolowa we you kere ni rariwe. E Becky magila je Becky was sunu ya gbe yo e ayi yo. We want to be amosa na be. Becky I sa gbogbo won. Where my where? Who are him Sagana? Becky, why I can relax? No, why enjoy Sagana? Easy, ya vision, ya. When I get bijou, it didn't have bijou, ya. That's number one. The first of us, a Becky, total. You go make Nick Wema with one thing. Nick, FI shot well, Becky. Total. Without a matter of my motorship day, now. A Becky, we are sag bob woman. It's a total. Now, I hear the wadodo, if you have something that you want to pay a little pinch. Ne Becky, mana. What you want to give Becky? Now, a blogger says a particular person in young one cannot not concern a Becky. Vije. What fian want to give Becky? I was opportune to watch the video Becky did 3 to 4 days ago. No ya vyogbe mommy let take ya lead. Ona gwe osula gwan o yosula e pemi no yosula. E pemi ya. When me na we yon e godota ge. Yon e godota ge pemi. When e godota ge ya like kiame head wa oni we kiame. E Becky na tale ya be video ni. E be no ya he o. Then e Becky na make a statement where when ya mujinye la den wa mujinye be ya. E jinye mana we e kiane yen u yen ke cross border e kiana ha ko le gbe. Ando mujinye yo, ando botinye no wune yo, ando gbe es before no wune yo, ando gbe vision ya sigbe ebi anagbe yo. Yen mana ni ejinye do wekia, eri do wekia. Inagie kwa. Becky e ba yan reply with that statement no make anywhere. Anagbe yo, anagbe twen yo, anagbona yo. Becky total. When wa iwune wa mi egbuwa wa jere. Ogo meje o. Ogo meje uye sagagwa lo me o. Ma we kiabu hene. That the way kinyoge. Go your own way, I go my own way. Uwe he tu nya bia yo. Uwe tu nya bia yo. Becky wa dit na mi megbe. Ona et do tie bonu. E mata ni mabu we he, e me samu we na. Uwu he yari mi no ru egbe hin. They were approve ye go we fu na. Eru yoga doctor, uhiya gwe we no ya a protection we no here bia hin. Ina we magwalo. The record is still here. You understand? Ina we magwalo. The next thing is one una so mo. U ga tire ngbe kan wona so agui. Una so afilu gbegume. Imaze ya we. Abe fancy me no mo go we no man dey watch me na TV we. Guess ze ye get na e. Si Becky ai e answer. Which was real. You know me corner. Hello. Okay, thank you very much. All right, God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you.
Now, Becky una so azolo me. Una so azolo me zolo naga zolo me. You started blackmailing me. Ogi vierio na aruwe. Isagi vierio gari isagi vierio na ona kwa yekedi. When vierio ya we hiare Italy ya donu shame. When Becky una monya hu. Na una so aya e mati vierio ya blackmail e fancy me. Ni ya la dene do dono ti gombe. Igi marie lawyer ne. Ele ya we 5,000 euro. Na han ya gwe kesi ma viere you. If you una mnyanye ni ayo re, una ne wo ya so adore ti go ya kan ti well. Ele ya we ma han pay 5,000 euro. Na ya gwe kesi ma viere you. Between me and God, if you imami ba oti na. Amasa na let go in boss. The boss amasa di megume. We ele ya donu sha me. Ele ni ya di police station. So why are you now blackmailing my fans? Imagine anywhere, anywhere give the fans where there is nothing like that. Nobody should donate money to anybody. Of only Becky. Nobody should come for it now. Oh, didn't make corner. Hello? Alpha. All right, thank you. You understand? Why would no, second hour then? When I just relax. Second hour then, I was when. I was all the brushes and the engines, you know, something I'm saying, oh God, oh. And they see many video. You go, they don't bust, you don't set. He don't bust. It don't set. It don't bust. It don't bust. It don't bust. Understand me now? Okay. Then, Becky. Total. Alawaga video now. Awa kuwa and akuri mwata without no insults. Okay, Becky, no, it's here, but no, my sister. My way ended by banana show my ending. You understand? I just want to remind you, I want to refresh your brain. Because when we have a video, I'm not ever going a video ni or what ata. If you plan ye boeji ni ye woni we you got togi. You got fianya gbe Becky fianya gbe ma e we ma yina. A man always say no ma. Agboro man always say no egwe calm yourself down. Agboro social media ya hege oduga hin. You understand? It helps a lot. Unyanga ebi bu nuwe to social media no ma cordia no we no ni me we no ina lock up on one side. I'm not here for that. A video no make him no tell video no do explain my way. Then if you a video when nobody should donate money for anybody. Imagine anyway, una followers. You insulted me, you insulted me. Then if I say that's one here. Frank, calm down. C'est woman in a lock up, ma go ego. I are bien palo, e ban were ni mere, e ban me mu we ade. I me ga areva, bogo wigbo. E siti ni me o wan me no nu we na do weki ani. E ban me ga ayi. We pano nya wan mu video gun me ban ni, mu phone no we gun ya we Frankie. Was on ayo mo no yo wa ma Frankie, on ayo mo no yo wa ni we do. What sunu no yo mo no no we Facebook. Oh ya mo video maga ma ya ma wa tuta na ma tuta ma eri ba tuta maga e pa mo video ri yi ge na pa e wa go e fo pa da ina na ge e pa gbe woman na wa go me no gore woman na e ma no gore woman na ah wona woman no pa no wa di no do lunwo me we ya na go talk be na e pa gbe we me woman na e ma understand e ita ma we ku e wa se problem de pa we ya eri ya magia eri ya magia ni we fi Facebook na eri ya magia n'est pas bon again. Et une guale sagli, ou un mouzagoto fi mon ami, on tient mis sagli, n'est pas ce qu'il faut gagner, non, c'est fou. Et bien, moi, on a quoi, mon dieu, n'a taille. Alors, on a watch la vidéo, il n'a pas la de là, il buy bani, quoi, me faut me brick na gba. Il a me picture in my move, a bedroom, me na post yo. That thing go we me evidence the woman who ya gbe me, go make us an gbe le la jane. Ina mo la jane. E de sagba wo ya so. Tetu na mia ni tamawe. Ilie saga gi mabewe. Ile ya so. Nothing much. On a bon fa. What do you not do? We mesaga. Imasaga idwe. The next thing, you started looking for iye Kevin. Una bona ya mo sera la dian. No re Napoli. Una mo sera la dian. Una mo gedogi. Una mo sera pa. Una mo ge Eddie Murphy. Wana so an rovio onoro wodo. Ni ma ere meeting today. In my face. You have me I might not even know her. Maybe you hear me. I don't even know her. Now she don't even know me because we not gonna know her. Wana do we on your ye Kevin. Don't go along here, ye Kevin. Una wana do we kuni kwede pore. O wana ga ye. I may marry ye Kevin. Ye Kevin ma ko fra from the now. In that's one perere ye Kevin. I de perere make him say grip for me. Then they saga you for social media. It's not personal. Babe, green. We are going to I'm not the joke. I'm not the Jones. You understand? Una's one live in my other fans. Because that particular woman you brought us, my top fans, oh, I share video with. If you are while a Facebook, okay, she share my video all true. A video, man, a video, Yuri, or share. My value woman watch. I watch my way. My vanny, a woman, you cannot go to that woman video everywhere. A video, you woman check. So because of that, you know, feel where on your ye Kevin, you know, some bobo, or you honey. Or you where you might get a clear. You me ye Kevin, Juliet Agbota. You know, go through the page and get away on the share video Kevin, a video Kevin, a video Kevin, a video, and I ye Kevin. Where there? Napoli vendors. Oye €100 Africa shop. Whatever. Or more pitchy Kevin Ladian. wana so ro ye kavi wa iro ye kavi na kana ma wo ye saga egbe o ma ri fofo gira ye e pichi you we women nu we mu gibe me ya celebrate birthday you we me ma ro you we ya se gbe e pragbo me na me pichi you we ladin it's not my business. I'm not for your mother. Na me and you nine for ourselves. Na me and you are comfort. I want pichi you we ladin. Why damn it how when it was on social media e monica ya tell me na na age because wa me and ken wa kekba when me ken me kekba me ka yire ke asekri by ending. Now you went further una am pichi ye kazi you by era no wune ije no wune be no wune una viola dia social media ku work in Napoli vendors or €100 una viola dia be social media wana so aro wi ra wi when I'm not you we pichi you we me you dey feel am we're talking about of no wune now we have Napoli vendors you understand wana vi the picture la dia you dey feel the vibes na you board go ya na agwa this time around now oguna my kudi me na afa eni ya o se esaka na we boni me o se yin we kudi me e ba nu ma ya me onwe we ware na we wa kunu nu you understand okay fine and good today now you are coming to say erisa guy is era no gune idan sa guy ra o expo fe no gune so we ka gbokbia ne uno gbokbia you understand erisa guy when am me wo kaso avie awo wi lazin do saga Facebook right una only lock up ni agewe una we agboya we mi no so governor ogo won ti jo agboya we mi no so governor iwo ogo won ti na ogo won ti jo social media ogo won ti you used to drag issue na ho no mind why afi aye no gbera una no so aso ni agbe osusu ni me na mo 100 million and 1 million we ina me 1 million osusu you rimune who will repay back then you not expect to go free and I use my money to start paying the osusu no we namu we were rovi men you expect me to be still be paying money for you enough about you pay that money take his joke. You will pay that money and you will pay me the drinks you stole from my house. And you know, do your woman what you pay yo. Uga kama ne wa bia nyo woman. Ohon ga gwa kato ni den no e don. E no dey egbere. €5,000 no we. Out in nas to speak na ye masawe. €5,000 no men we no we ya buga me ja wuri €5,000 ogbe me chentro. Men we here €5,000 now I can still give you that same money again. But when we ask Kamunya get a diesel, me €1,000 carry no or it is what you see the difference. A diesel where lemuna. Actually, one ordinary 1,000 naira. Okay, you usual walk back because you no calculating no me to pay go a deadly. Udere mentality no on still you are still proud. O give away only marry on wa ko wala waja na ko we mi oge normal we marry ne we ma ye fo we gbe me we who la wodo ne o ke France re gbogbe bo gbe ajo wo to ta ko Italy e wi yomo no me na gbe mu e o do to ta ko Italy we ma ye fo we gbe me the way you are behaving now what make you think we me ga mi we corner na me ti kono bi we o de na la me lo na la. This is this dubious character. You can behave near your word. Donc, bien nous gele mare na gele suwoke. Dem wa gele jogwe. Do gele respect no da bien nous mare ni ge dizo no you wani. Ne ba no ko ba mu. Ever dem wa gele jogwe. And see no reason why you be still be talking about me every minute, every seconds. Why na ko wa don. E ho wa mu je na open na akebie. Na mumu let ekialit no ho I jore ba na je no su ni je na we kwena go no me diabetes I je mumu let ekialit no we come na go no fibrosis ro eko no gbigbi agawe the Holland e wan bu imu ye ladian gwa mo wi mu ye ladian just the way you said Iye mom let love village no soon. Well, iye destiny lati social media no concern or working mebe. A side chicken on the work here. A side chicken on the work here. On akba, on a have picture, iyo or wokane, era wokane, on have your gay. A so no who are not dead you can on a one ya so ya sagayan. One they saw her, if you no concern saw her, come wokane, on I say, actually, do you have a pick up? Do you have a pick up? Do you have a pick up? One other o a so oka wo wokane. Oka la wokane wo hene. No na enda wokane ge, o hian ma pick up. Wagumen ne soy. Waga zuo. Wa miamia we. Me Maria wabodo gbiagia. E Maria wabodo mudia otote train station. Do arekia. Mweke kokobiri. Mwege Gambia. Mwege Senegal yuhe. Waria wabodo sule kale luhe. Wa onele ne respect nukbia. E gbore nwejia. Okuna take kama mujo wano. Witu duga krata nuwene. A man will still look at you. For you to be worshipping that man. No one respects no who you are misbehave. You disrespect man. Then you expect man to be respecting people. We can't block with villa with Gubagbo. We expect no do respect we. But we never respect. All you know for. In a picture. Lare or degbe. Or gbegbe. Veni kata sin. Akimegi switch bwe. E bekekia. Inawe. Mugu let Ekia lead. Doga magbon. Iwani meka imeri yo wowa. Iya akimi we. Ime a disgrace weful to the fullest. A disgrace is the destiny marry anywhere. Yari anywhere. A picture of destiny, imo. Yes. A boy no be the last born, a picture of imo. You understand? But you still get the reason why. Imana imo l'avion. Because I to care. Okona cannot build destiny. Or ma can because we can't build destiny life you. You understand? Okona cannot reveal destiny, and reveal destiny, we bug build destiny. We ma care. Oh, here we are go wegbe. Because when can we build destiny? We drag it in media. We drag it with a cut in. The same thing with the other small one. We be in. Even very picture. A picture from me look at everyone. Yeah, when this one dragging in, it's of no use. Imagine you hire kenyenye. You understand? Because with the way we dragging in it, we let bo and media. Where you both do go ya wa again? In what senior? But where? Everybody me could know one be like me could know who. Ale quarrel we be like the destiny. E quarrel we be like ne kwemu ne kwenave mu we e kwemu we e monu bi na na elephants. Uwe oge mo na hin. Ne better. No you ni gaba ni so logo. We ge monu we be like e you we no be we on na ye sense so we. Is we shape. We shape all round. When you buy a nyado suit or soto, uye mo a drum. When a drum waye, because a drum is step case. A real mugu let a care or a mommy, a mugu let a care is a banu abuwa as is a who does he? Everybody may not be enough in the Everybody may not be in the mugu let a care lead. We may need water. What's the dinner however? What's the man ho e ga fan? When neck butter, what's here? Nina ho e ba fan? Asan e de gbe wo ye. Ara gbe bi. What's the nina ho e ba fan? What's here? When neck butter. Here we blue light, you have green light, different color of light or whatever. Do you know that you know white light Yahoo? That day onto the highness of alcohol, the influence of alcohol, dogun or that way. He says to me, yeah, and ye king on he died here. A lappy, yeah, we are a lap. Or a lappy, a creamy fresh of valley lappy, a lappy, a lappy. When a stretch back, young Jana in a guinea. Igena, baba, écrit beaucoup nan. Et blichi beaucoup nan. Blichi. Et blichi finish au nan. Et là, ya ouya. Body udo. Nek bota, wasi ye na kisi we wa yore. Wasi ye ni mema na kisu we yore. Mugulete kializ. Wasi ye ni na kisi we. You don't ask yourself that question. But otawa wene wa the bedroom ota. U brushine at the kissy well. Is that a kissy well? Thank God. A picture of a kissy. What the picture ni asongano. Who office me ga live video. I me that be don Moscow fo. Yen ro wase o. I me go don Moscow office. Me ki go don Moscow fo negba. Yen na nye kan de. On the work kissing. It was a kissology. It's a kissing things. Whatever. What? Okay, Roa. It's a way. We are what I told you live video that me why you want to kill with them. E what I want to kill with. E why you want to ball with boy. When you can't ball or when you can't zufu you with me. E you want to zufu you with me. Don't talk about more. After we show her, every no talk about video. Every no you tell a photo about the way. Help allow her. When you are away, you may book it. You know, oh, that, go back there. What do you know? Your pressure. You may cast the view with me. A carrot way now, and ask the view with me. But I'll go over. Oh, so, what are you? Or you, all right, social media. Okay, Michael. I can't money. I'm with Doug money. Baba. If any guana, he flash memory me when no so ga go na bela enyo ma we yakusa. Ike bo ye na ga mamme, o ye bla 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 bla. Ike bo ye breso bo. Ike me ga shi. I me ga we ko bo na. Ga we ike bo ike be yi na ge. Oye na ge. On blera on shake. Ne ho mu ye mu. Ah yo na back. Ike bo uzoko. Salobua. O menwa. Wa ti o go me na. Ina baba. Ona ri to me. Oh, be. Ese ni unu baba la wegbe. Ne se ya gbe we ba ho hian la wegbe. Mumu let ekialis. Uwelu we, umae care for the past 3 years. Umae ugbabe ko ebe de yana vun. Louis Vuitton avon. No ya here to. Louis Vuitton amena gba eya. Uwe no, we ese wo agbo. Is he a me sone contract bo we. It may send life contract where we not here when the viewer. We not here when the viewer. No bewagon. Did you make a two? Oh, the woman where you know. A matching on fire. Are you not a seven wife? Only you are 7 in 1. 7 in 1. Oh, we are not where you are. I always 7 where you are. Why against indiscipline? Tell it to familia. Oko Bazia. What by is 7 women. Nige, oye pa me gane ogun gba me odogun bita. Tiri odogun bita to go down say a joke. Bide odogun bita yere revena musa wele. Na me let's go there. Today I will not die. I will gbele gbo Alaska gbigbi. Odogun bita noga. Omunu yo wekia okpe. E wa pe ti be. Anyway, ogun gbazan. Over here. And now when I'm with document. Sister with document. And now when I'm with document. Document. You know what? I'll give him man. You bought them in. Then the one here. You know I'm here. In a subway. Go tell people. When you ask Salaway. When you are king here. You want to have a blues in way. Mera salwe makwe blues. Uma nek bota. What's any mana in the one of the salwe? What's any one of the boy? You don't ask yourself, oh, take one of Papillona. You don't ask yourself that question. Why I put this music, they fuck you. If you want last women where sweet, where lanky, where sexy, you go use television music, Westlife. Better love songs. We are nana. Why be say? In when saga be saga, in a saga who wear. In a saga who wear with Bola, you hate. You hate. When my neck butter, where I use Star Majesty song, te saga yo toto. In when Star Majesty yak boshnape. Eya zanzawe 5-0, no draw. Umami draw. Turnover umati to. Twerk umati twerk. Ina wale for me gamana ina ari up wano for my palo long chair day. Long sitting chair day. I sit down for the long sitting chair. Sister Rotota, ite kuo. Ite what day. Abiwa na mi ko de slap. Stop. Ekere na wakbo. Ekere na wakbo. Ina wale for mo juga. Ina for me gamana. I want to from bros. Man, you na brosi. Oga. Now go puhando. Yari o boy yo. Ike beni gbagbe. Ogun na ewe to re. No be here. Idigbi. Ori to tayo. Ekere wa jono wa ko wa lo ye. Netere tra ni yebo lo to se ke you ni se ye ole lap ole e be like saying they up like this eke ma so toto we en total me lap o ma set is so toto wa ya se ba if a lap cover the whole world. It's a lapachos, it's a lapadusa lap, a lap cover everywhere. O me digbi na stand up. Me you know what ya me you too. A dog yon ama, doggy on a mama. Because you are one for this anyway. A woman am muroto, oh look. On your permission extension, Ikboba slope. A woman am muroto, oh Ikboba slope. On your Ikboba slope. On your natural Ikboba slope. Mommy, let the carry the muroto. On our bonus anu. Eku hewa pok, we don't be a young. On your near tete do yak me. Yeah, eku hewa owas. Oh you gbi. Oh you na buta udi egg. Oh you gbi. Eyo. Ye wa buhuro to owa benum isa no bodazi. Na eku ye wo. Eye. Ina enwe mila. Now menwa. Don't play. This Toto is going to learn. And this Toto will learn in the hard way. With a dog bita. Bodazi. Never ta. After us, you they fuck for their room at the year. Then they'll disturb me sometimes. I said, this night, all this people must hear my story. When you can say, I don't send me. Now, pa. They tell you, when you talk about it, we don't know level. They don't say the fuck. They don't say that, knock and they knock, and then they say knock too. But last, they don't tire. Me, they don't know so or when they walk. Pa. What do you call surprise them? Now they Hey, God do. God have mercy. Hello? Hello? No. Listen. This episode 13. Wait. I can't another ring light come on. Yeah, people that ring light come on. Yeah, please hang over here. All my fans waiting for TikTok. They say we're not put up for TikTok. And they come here and hang TikTok journal no verse. Oh, I fans on my way. Yeah, we have Facebook. Ik ben er niet de nou ook kan. Yo, jij gwale kan me nou kwa. Ja, we have ik ben er nou ook kan Facebook. Ni moye TikTok nya TikTok nya the wash. Yeah, we have the wash with TikTok. It's no ya okay, you never see anything. Go back me look, it is get to me baloney. I go give you times 200. Man, no. Baba go just my dear almost one. You think any other Ozuo is easy. Who are easy? I'm not going to a no girls. Who might make up? Yeah, when you are. Even we want to wake many. A mark when I hear over. A mark when or you go here one man. Narewa Taranai. Et maintenant, c'est aussi l'égation négative. Il va qu'il est bad guy. Il va qu'il est bad guy. Mommy, let us college. Mommy, let us be college. Never see anything. Let me go to TikTok. Cause she with it. Mommy, let us be college. Mommy, let us be college. Mommy, let us be college. Yes. Let's go on TikTok too. Yes. Everyone in the Facebook ba enjoy Sagana. Everyone in the Facebook ba. Oh, it's too shameful. No verse. No verse. Oh, because I'm not supposed to disgrace this woman. Since now she use her hand to come out, I go give her the shame. You can't shame the shameless. You understand? Now she use her hand to come out. As a man of God, we'll be saying where I be. I love to help women who are in distress. Women who have not come and they want to come. I try to make them come. You understand? Just the way I've been helping Pemi Osula daughter. You understand? Since when Osula died, leaving children. Now me they help in Peking. Make it take come. Since no man agreed marry Pemi. Pemi is frustrated and depressed. You understand? Pemi now, he not see prick. You understand? All in brothers now, they fuck married women up and down. So I have to help Osula's son, daughter. Since the son, they not married woman. So, based on saying the woman now, Igbo smoker, Ole Boroko, we not get shame. I can say, okay, you let me have a feed do. Me not be rabbits, whether they use smoke the key. You let me have a feed do for Pemi, who will feed they do video call. Sister, they show for your toto. Make her they show you bola. That's how we take do one. You understand? And as they do one, Pemi they throw away to what. After I don't come, he go sleep, go take her. She go sleep off. After I don't marry, Penny also called. She called me, we talk. She begged me to make her second wife. I said no. All you need to do, go and call my wife. And she called my wife. She dey beg my wife. Last week here, Penny also like call my wife. You understand? I know they live fake life. That's the way I did that they talk. You understand? Now let man when they honest. Then they fear to talk away what they. When your way not clear. If your way is clear, you are both to talk, you can stand and take responsibility as a husband. Your wife will respect you. Pay me, they beg my wife up and down. The same pay me not he get a ghost to come and insult my wife. But Bokian law with me. If you're so now, you might only just drag one and came by. All na story we pay me tell me, and then one drag off na comedy. All of na story. Go rich color also that waiting for pressure. And then one drag na enter this media. If I verse, Molola come out, una go hail, not be joke. Not be joke, I know the cap. You dey feel me so? Because if I dey talk, I get proof of everything where I dey talk. Pemi is a small girl, and na man woman. When the measure, me na no mo Pemi na dey Pemi me marry, why they gbe my son? Ugbe na agbe me ni jana. I say bolo me gbo abagbon. Me why ya mu ekime na, iwa mu e, why ya buy you ho kokoko. Almost ya buy you Pemi. Eh Pemi no me. Pemi never respect nira, e no respect nije. E no respect nothing. Ere Pemi wa go Pemi na so agbe Jackie. E Jackie is a adulterous man of Okonoro Wodo. Di mo ya unu Pemi mana ho. Unu Pemi mana ho. E Pemi of you no ro owo sula la social media. Ni ma ya gbo sula family sula ga na. E family Pemi never ruwe oga Curtis. Na Curtis yo wo Okonoro Wodo. Na wo Okonoro Wodo ogbe central. Na gbe central very good. Na you go no oga okpomiliki. Oga runs. Oh you from Abuja to Kanu. No marry Yosula. E monosula biye. Bye. Oh my way. Bye. Why are Pemi? Unok papaya take no be. What no? If I am lying for my head, you just feel like you know say no me. Why are not you wanna go? A junkie never wabia, why I know? Spanish junkie never wabia, why I know? Since 2021, Emma Epa make it raw. Emma work it raw right from Germany, immensely. Princess Avialele, all conferencing with me, all you by me. Let me go and play. Thank God, Princess Avialele called me last week Sunday. Last week Sunday, you guys heard what she said. How Pemi thinks he want to toast me. Now, Princess, tell Pemi say, Avialele tell Pemi say, Pemi, the Frank he toast where will he toast Frank? The Frank he toast where? Will he toast Frank? Oh, we are toast to go. He like a Frank, he was like a, he was now I'm really looking, no worry. Make a conference not together. Make a conference with you do your page. It ain't allow. I really a conference for me by. I not tell the Yarago with no my someone never get what's get woman. I was like my son. Epa me go your sula. They can't make you about one who was so terrible me. Who was soon. Upon only your body, why won't do? Epa me, you will view well at you. Well, view well at you. View well at your video. Via the Gabias Yobo. Are you the one? All these years you and I have been communicating. Are you not sleeping alone? I will be giving you vibes, giving you relics from my mouth. I'm going to sing love song they give you every night before you feel asleep. No bow, that's a boy. If any break away has not been what I mean, what I am me away or what? Men no man, no one I will. Imam Yahweh who never better. No, Laro, they can have a saga running. But I'm going away. I'm giving up. I will never better. Here I give away from it. Then let me the rest. Then let me the rest. I will content bagus. Why is not so content to then they come alive. Oh, what's more? Are you that? Are you when I am one? Who are you here with that? Larry was in the world. All this contempt was in the world. I don't know say I be does me. One of the giving rabinats. A rabinat of Boa. A rabinat of Boa. I will never bene. When I'm with that government grow, who was soon what? One of the giving fresh to one six still on our breast. Why not coming? You don't pay when it's here. And when I will on it, one of the bring breast without dark for me. Oh, what now? I thought I said like nipple. Oh, what boa. Oh, what bera. They will like a nipple. Must you give me contact on that nipple? I need fresh nipple. You give me bad nipple. Oh, well. Epa me. You content breast. Eh? You a mad? You say the Chris? You Chris me? You mad rich man? No go back with you. I don't lucky what good. I don't my way. I for Sagada man. I for Sagada man. To say that man leave my master go bomb for big man. I go bomb for big man. I for a big man picking now. This one be I can do Facebook. Can they crazy for Facebook? Crazy for TikTok. No assume. All this content women. They don't give me space. See, I so white. Toto white for everywhere. Very white toto. Everyone are whiter. Woman will born sir. Even better pass someone never born. I still find guests. I said, okay, this one make us still go for small guests. Small guests before you touch it. Everyone has so water. What did they have for this abroad, sir? Where have you say, even woman will don't born better pass young guests for abroad. Let's talk about white for everywhere. What talk about for everywhere? At least person to romance woman before you put prick. Man. Before those days, you they post speed for math, they post speed for prick. Before you enter toto. This time around, I don't know whether they first talk about toto. Not to the river. Not the they post speed for toto, for prick. Don't follow toto. Una see the jokes. How many men for this abroad go tell me say why they put prick for toto in the put speed for math? For your touch breast more, everybody sha. We walk bame. I walk bame. They go see I go see the manager. They go see the Jones. Walk down. This overseer boss. This make industry. This walk bera. Mumule te carry the walk bijoué. Et you est saloa. Va pas la yoy. E you ere obodo gbasawo be no we. Ona mu we mu gbe le bi le bi aje we go. Ade no le pe na bia me ha no bia nu. O pe na swai. O pe ni su ya we ya mare, una amare o bia no bi we din. Una ya bia no ni. Oyin re po ni gbagbe. Oyin ile. Oyin na ile. Okay, Frank on do marry we. We se re gbe o. Lato se ko ye wa gbagbo wa gbon. Ero ogbon mo yuwa o. Wa gi mo yin. De ki ra je ni mu wa gbe mo. Ani bi nu gbe mo ani wu we a. Gra wa wuju we kia. We kia bu ke wo he. And I can because I can never boom. Because I can still have a lot of work to do. You still have a lot of work to do. How can you imagine? Before you touch nipple small to talk with your full water. Wait here. Where the water for the come from our body? Where the water for the ever be fian? A pipeline who fian. A pipeline who of fian. Pay me and they ask you. Your pipeline cuts. Oh Yesula. A pipeline we of fian. What you cut your pipeline? Tell the world what happened to your pipeline. What happened to your pipeline? Oh, the next thing, I don't know why the beg job. I saw her. I saw Chikubeu. No, I the way what no. Away now, orgasmophobia, orgasm erosion. Ah, go. I will neck a catbo. I will put a pot of bekus. Wa salua. Ake boya kan nipo. Egoya uheya ba met. Uheya go the water. What's your problem? There is problem why? Why you to resist in a come? Why you resist a come? Usalua. Oma ho ene. You let go. You let go. I don't move on. I don't marry. Give me space. Give me space. You wanna sungu? I don't marry. Shift for me. Shift for me. When no. You they pack my wife papa picture. My wife my picture. They pack and they go to give present. I mean they sat down my wife, my in-law. Where you know, say, me a mad person. I know where. I go draw the diagram for Toto. La re talking now. Don't remember you want to Anna hina. I Jesus. Emeri na. Emeri mesiri we Meria. Emeri I go le man. You salute for. Why are we? It's talking now. Imagine very well. Oh, that way. Oh, God. Oh, wonderful. Oh, God. Eh? Maybe dig him. What? Why won't that be going? I'm marry you. What going over syllabus, make industry. Oh, yeah. About Kupangole Bingoli long soon when they were. Nonsense. That's supposed to invest me. That when I was there, no, so I come up with you. How can you imagine? Maybe what we say now, small like me. Maybe what's anywhere, you know, a strong lemons. As I just clean like this, just see me like this. I have to carry this my ancestors now. What I'll tell you your word. Make a skin come out first. This won't be essence of days. Is this not the matter that can't be moved? With my clear eye, I go jam this one toast down. If not for alcohol, or go bazaar. With my two clear eye, I go feel fuck this kind of fat woman. Me, I think better in my hair. On how to do what? On how to do what? This is not my granny. This is not essence of day. You don't know what Basera. Who see and they go party? You don't dress good. You they go party. Mama, kill for mama. Here where they spray on him. Here where they spray on him. Kill for here one. Here destiny one papillona. Here destiny one papillona. Here destiny. See never dry. Okay. Obi aka kero but up better away. We are kero but here destiny but up better away. You have value. You are like buzo yo. Eziza. Ogun baza. Asha will not be work. Now management. This is useless women abroad. No why you that? Then when move one of segregation. When I want to if they can't get the whole land. When I Zua, Zua, or your gammy. Or your gammy, family gammy, or a family of your pa. Oh, your pa family. She's from a gammy family. Oh, a family of Goba Stank Bear. No, go up to tight there. This This useless woman we handle basi yedo. Go back no back bina negwa. We one begwari wa bina negwa. You are a mad woman. Ofenoro wana kame no roge biruwa. Wow. Am I going? You know what I did for this woman? 3 good years. Oh, when I'm married, she not come. She dey beg me say, you want make love. You never make love for 3 years. You never make love for 3 years. You never make love. If this woman, if they zokia ki agbo kekele, he me do I wonder de now. Oh baby. Oh baby guinea, baby castle. Una baby. De na baby now. Oh la vie when I go momo. When I the new baby we are. Frank, be like you enter this woman. In our hair. Baby, okay. May you come. Don't worry, come. I'm gonna make you come. Where did they have the tickets? I have all your tickets in my phone. Where to come my house? We never talk of say you will be my wife. We will never plan anything concerning serious relationship. Just for you to come, let me make you come. And I did my job perfectly. I did my job clean job. I service you well. All your wrists, I wrist hand. All the carbon where they to do. I wash everything. Why do I want to say? Which can help you defend my hand? To do what you wait for do marriage. To do what do marriage don't enter. For 3 years, do marriage that to do. No moving, no coming. What? I enter there. I service all your body. All your body make blah. Hello? I make sure say I touch all your body. The next thing what you go do, but you're going to insult me. Are you mad? Are you stupid? Now, fabrica work. I sign life contract for your hand. And then I sign life contract for your hand. Say, this is your toto. I must do until infinity. You come first time. I zanzan you. I pieces all your pieces for ground. I rinse all your rings. All your bombi. I make sure say I rearrange and wait for you. You sleep like I've never before. Only you want to use someone to confess. Say, since you started the knack bola, you never see you knack you the way I knack you. I said, now God's grace. You understand? Even myself, I dey wonder how I take this woman. Even at now, I still dey wonder how me more as me smallish like this. Take clap this man to we are not break leg. I can't look my prick. I said, not be this small prick. Not be this small prick. You never reach that guinea man. Very short and small and slim. How this kind of thing take injure this woman? When this woman call they tell me say, na so I all to the pepper. Now if you want your bath, want water to you know the pepper. I say, this woman they hack me. I call this. You let me I know say I drink odogun, 3 odogun bitter. Now I drink. Now see, be like this odogun they work. So odogun they get strength to. This odogun is get strength to. I say, because when I knock this woman, even the noise, me myself call the say maybe my neighbor will call police. Because the this woman soundtrack make my neighbor start the knock his wife. My neighbor started the knock his wife. The neighbor that Italo. He started the knock his wife. That one knock, that one come. Me see the knock. I see the ta. That's why he now just shake. He now just shake like say breeze the carried leaf. Oh Bob, now big. That one what they call you on what big wide spread. They slap and here pop. Now don't they walk. What you give me that strength? This one food there. This one food. This one food for you, my brother. This one food red nyash go up. You see Tutu. Tutu be like it be like bounce. Tutu be like egg grow. 200 naira. Be like egg grow. You see coins. Coins be like switch with the off light. That black switch. Make a switch. Inside the red like tomatoes. Wa back here. Like Baba with the smell. See you see Toto. Oh yeah now. Give me 3 Toto there. I believe. Baba. Omo. Don't be being so. Don't go pour handle. Now te. I go knock. I go slow down. I go breathe. I go be twerk. I go want my waist talk. That's slowing that they breathe. Make I get that straight again. Oh boy, if Africa walking, I'm gonna oh Baba, this don't go kill my enemy. Oh, boy, she go just shaking hands. This one a bad woman. Another idiot. Tell you this so. As just shaking hands, I didn't shake like that. I go shake. I don't see the rest. Oh yeah. I don't send my neighbor. No send my neighbor. I go sleep. Oh boy. That be wait. This woman won't come. The whole house is shake. God. Now me can I invest for this woman. I carry my bullet use on the knack quite. I use on drag and go, drag the coin, oh baba. You know, I dey use this woman they learn how to fuck like bluffing. Now, if that was a video, not be say joke, federal government for call me. They for come say, how come? You don't see where they fall elephants, they want tears elephant belly. That's what this one people get good. Carry one lap, I carry one leg hang for wall like this beam. They don't want to dig ground. Only one leg now hang for wall. They don't want to dig ground. So I carry my bullet. These are the rubby coins. They rub the coins. When this man bust water for total. When this man bust water, I mean, bless this nigga. Say the truth. Water. I said like, my own bed is shake. Oh, baby. I said, eh? Oh, look, one of the show for Frankie Vemu. Frankie Vemu. Yeah, I'm story time more. I will anymore. I was like, don't die. Hey, no go puando. Hey, I made bola, water for everywhere. But now I carry my ankle, my towel, I the clip, I still clip. When I say what can't be true, wow. She can't from shame. She can't from this or dead bed. Can't from shame. Never say anything. I can't be true, go shower. I see what once. Could be true. But they clean and say, on shower, come bath finish on home. As I on shower bath, now I go my fridge. I go take cold chill tennis. Tennis cold one. Baba. You told me where I enjoy that to life. That's what I use less anyhow. As I carry cold chill tennis, as I diagnose the tennis with my leg, my eye come down. Now I go my office. Now I carry your document. Last document with my office. Before I buy. Don't knock till for live video. Now watch me that way I do that video. Now Sunday I pray you don't go get brew. I put on my now I drink. I chill out, don't go finish bar. Combination with tennis is a one bar. They will not 35% plus tennis 9%. I miss some. I go meet up beside bed bar. She don't kiss bed. Now I run down again. Make I put jara. Everywhere is chill. I run down again. I diagnose the engine again. And you call it, you take. Because you don't throw water. You say, oh baby, I'm tired. Now I'm tired until they start. You say, I'm tired. Stop now. I say, it's not talking about Louis. This one soundtrack still different from Abia. This one still good now. English they use. Nobody know they use it beneath. My God. Now me no. He come first. He come second. You no say now more I be. You come first time. You come fuck my prickle. You no say the prick small. Make you run. You still beg me. You buy ticket again for the second time. For your present, I dey plan my marriage. You dey my house. We dey plan marriage. You dey my house. Me and my wife dey on video call. They discuss about the marriage. What they go buy, what they go get. You dey in my bedroom. You are in my bedroom. You even come to my office. You saw my wife on video call with me in my office while you came to collect my small food. So what they make up? Oh, I was in my office. In your presence, I was planning my introduction. In your presence, as you come out finish back, I announce introduction. I announce marriage. A week later, I do marriage. You saw it. And you still wrote me that you are coming to my house for the third time. And I said no. I said no. I just really married so. I said no. We not quarrel. We not fight. There is nothing like say, I don't want a girl. Don't come my house a girl. Nothing such. If you call me, I'm not going to pick your call because why? I don't my wife. I don't get that time to call you for the play love for full game. Because if they pick your call, you will not talk sense than all those love things. I'm missing you, babe. I'm missing you. When I want to come, when you go take their house, I want to come. My God, I don't marry. let me focus first. I just read my soul. Let me focus first. Because I don't feel carry you join my wife. Nah, no, if I not go kill me. Sister, you have your shift. The next thing this man will see. You just say I just married, bam. Immediately I married. The day I married. And so this man pack my own wife, father and mother, siblings, brothers, sisters-in-law, pack their picture. Send that go give Susie. Make Susie the saga, my wife and the family. Make the saga my in-law. And I don't get problem with this woman. We not get quarrel, no fight, no quarrel. All of them are here the confession for Susie's mouth. And the proof which they show for live video. All the pictures which this woman sent go give her. That's just all. All these things happen. I know. My God, my wife, God will bless. My wife say, leave her. Not talk to her, leave her alone. That's why I say, man, they do anything. They did straightforward. You understand? Don't be all things you go see, they tell your wife, oh, but at least, make sure they carry your wife along. Especially for all this kind of debate. Because my wife know. When she they call me, my wife there here with me. Boom. She will can't leave us. Me and she they talk. This useless idiot bumfoo or dead man one of Papillona, no like small children prick. You not let me listen, my people. He wanna ask me, the man we born 3 children for, he live there when I want to get peace of mind. The one we born 1 for, he live there when I want. Or me we just make you sweat. If all those people don't make you sweat, but you born for them. Now let's sweat and make you sweat. You know for me. You know me, I get peace. I go disgrace you. If your baby papa they don't be presenters, they don't do live video. Me, I be presenter. I go use you cash out. Me, I have your born nowhere. Sister Kamane, me, I tipping me shake it. Yesterday, me and my wife they dance. You see when my wife jump from my back. I carry her back. She's light, flexible. She's looking sexy and gorgeous. You feel me so? Now, I pray for live video, don't be waiting to do for back, but the video run. For live video, you see the way I carry my wife. They throw her up and down. You understand? Because of my size. I will carry this mountain of fire. There's a mountain that can never be moved. This one that the Bible said occupies in a corn. If somebody hearing me today, there is a mountain you don't have to climb. When you try to climb that mountain, you break your leg. Father Lord, put your 2 hands in your head. Say, my Father, my Maker, every mountain that want to consume you, let the fire of the God consume the mountain. Begin to fire prayer right now. Say, my Father, my Maker, every mountain that want to consume you, that you could not climb, or you have climbed before, you cannot finish the climbing, that want to consume you, Holy Ghost fire. If I be a man of God, I connect my faith with the faith of the people watching me right now. Oh God, every mountain in your life, is it from your father's house? Is it from your mother's house? Is it from where you are born that want to consume you in the realm of the spirit? May God Almighty swallow the mountain. Every woman, every condemned toto, or say 3 toto, say 3 toto. Every condemned toto, they want to condemn your brother, Holy Ghost fire. If I be this woman, if you say this woman's song, if I bring this woman's song, Destiny, if I bring the picture come out, go hey. If I bring Destiny's picture come out, come go bring the baby papa, wait, the last born for picture come out. Una go triple, una go pour speak for this woman. Say this woman, that small children, it did open leg for. This is called open leg university. For a Kenwa road, they call this kind of women open leg university. Indomie girls, you buy them Indomie, you can't enter house, you knock them. Now this kind of woman be. This one no Indomie, no beer, no gin, not even mineral. It's a Go TV, free of charge, cheap party could the run belly. Then one run my belly. Cheap party could the run belly. Now one run my belly. We have to go jam. A love vet, no one never love you. Or give you a Facebook or when your mommy let love league. Or now I'm call like Facebook. On a mon call à Facebook. Qui est qui vient là? Il vient là, il vient ici. Il vient pitolet. Au big ball life, il vient, oh, yeah, oh. Pas de big ball life, il vient, oh, yeah. Au big ball life, il vient, oh, laissez à your way, oh. Au big ball life, il vient, oh, yeah. Au big ball life, il vient, oh, yeah, oh. Mamie, au big ball life, il vient, oh. Let's play la musique. Don't play. We got a vice for now. If you know what? If you're pitolet, no feel me hakwa. If one in Rawebo, or we are pay charge benefit in here. Or he's sorry pitolet. You get pay charge benefits no more. What a shame. I dare you can I dare you cannot do here. Some women are enjoying themselves now, sitting there in their sitting room. While their baby papa is out there working to pay them at the end of the month. Or if you, young winner, baby papa they house, they wait for the money at the end of the month. And you go still come for live video. Come the thought of more. Pitolet. And we no longer. You a smoke shit. They no sick myself. Utara move or more permit of your sula. Nonsense. No, not even what be the man with the Facebook. Me they ask you that, oh, wait, let us be frank. Sometimes with the do saga, we will tell ourselves the truth. Wait till we read the problem of this women. Eh? Not even what be the guy we did this social media from beneath our space. We only see other fine cute guys. They only see them for Facebook. Why we only see reason with them? Reason with me. If I not knock today, I go knock you tomorrow. Eh? I don't understand some of our guys. What's the one at least? Why are you raising and follow up? Normal level. We understand. Mostly this is frank. Why are you going to be why we are finishing? Oh my God. Oh, why you? Oh, why you hear ya go along? Oh, why me? Oh, why you? Tire to for me there. Tire to talk about this man. Now my house a day. Wangi malele no de. Our Salian. Nonsense. La Goda Naijawatch Epa Eddie Voilà. Imagine no pa. Imagine dango waropa. Emi no wa ya geme usawe mene. Imagine dango waropa. Emi no wa ya geme usawe mene. Ni amu no level. Uwagije. Ebi tuwa ya keme usawe melu. Baba with this man. You see this saga when it comes, this saga will help you. Not be joking. You never done. Make you done first. Zero. Papa. No be la, Mama you be. And you return what you have advice. Zia Bolon has seen this morning. Let's play another one. Where is this pitolet? If you know what's here, that one will be the fancy ear. We'll get mushroom for head. Wanna listen? If you are okay, wanna sit down? No ho. Look here, look here, where I'm wearing. If you know what, now you. Ebo mi bi omo o. Ebo mi bi omo o. Ebo mi bi omo o. Mami elo bi eno pe a.